I'm Reese from JB. If you just invested in a brand new camera and want to deck out your toolkit to get the most out of it, check out these must-have camera accessories to take your photography skills to the next level. First of all, you're going to need a place to store those videos and photos that you're taking. That's where memory cards come in. Without one of these bad boys, you're not going to be able to see those pretty pictures of the beach or the footage of your niece's 5th birthday party. Also, keep in mind that the faster the reading and writing speeds of the card, the quicker it is to take photos and then later transfer them onto another device for editing or sharing. Next are hard drives. If looking to edit your content on the go, one of these becomes essential for protecting and storing your hard work, as well as them being smaller and more portable than ever. You can fit terabytes upon terabytes on a single one, allowing you to keep thousands of high quality images and video. Did you know? You can protect those as well. If you're looking for a bit more stability for your camera, you can't go past a tripod. Standing on 3 legs, these perfect partners for your camera, make sure that you get the smoothest and most stable shots possible, as well as no more blurry images from coughing last minute or shaky footage making you look like the cameraman from the Blair Witch Project. A helpful tip as well, if shooting in low light, the extra stability that your tripod offers allows you to turn down the shutter speed, letting more light in without blurring your images. Looking for some extra stability when on the move, a camera gimbal is the way to go. Using the magic of scientific stabilization, a camera gimbal allows you to have full control over your camera's motion without sacrificing a professional looking shot. If looking to construct some cinematic looking panning shots or track a moving subject, you can't go wrong with having a camera gimbal as your new camera's best friend. Hey, listen out for a second. You would have never guessed, but your camera needs power to function. Due to this, spare batteries become an absolute lifesaver. If you can see yourself burning through single batteries, or you're planning a long day of shooting, spare batteries make sure that you never miss a moment. For the DSLR or mirrorless camera user, you've got to have your pick of lenses to make sure that you're prepared for any situation that comes your way. Different lenses achieve different looks and they're measured in millimeters. The lower the number, like 16 millimeters, the larger your field of view, and the higher, like 200, the more zoomed in that you are on your subject. Something like a 24 to 70 millimeter zoom lens gives you the perfect balance of flexibility where you can be close to a subject or a couple steps back. And now that you have all the items that I've mentioned, what better way to protect and keep all your items in one place than a camera bag? Camera bags can come in smalls to just fit a compact cam in there, or you can get bigger ones like this to fit a whole DSLR with multiple lenses and memory cards. For any more information on cameras or camera accessories, stop by your local JB store to talk to our lovely staff or visit jbhifi.com.au.